Good morning, student. Welcome to the EVS class. Today we will start our new point in our chapter number 14, Direction and Time. But before that, we will see what we studied in previous session. Okay? Can anyone tell me what we studied in last session? Yes, very good. In last session, we studied about directions, opposite directions, and map. Can you tell me how many directions are there? Yes, very good. There are four main directions. They are east, west, north, and south. Second point we studied in last session, it is the opposite directions. Now tell me, what is the opposite of west? Yes, the east is opposite to the west. And what is the opposite of south? Very good. The north is opposite to the south. Third point is map. A map is a diagram or a drawing of a particular area. Okay. Now we will start our new point. We know about day and night. The day has light and the night has darkness. But just referring to day and night, we cannot understand the time. So what we do? Let's see. So our new topic name is time. We know the daytime has been divided into three major parts. Can you tell me the name of these parts? Yes, the daytime has been divided into morning, afternoon, and evening. Now see about morning in detail. Morning is the time of the day when the sun rises. Everyone know the sun rises in the morning in the east. Yes or no? Yes. See what happens in the morning. The flower from the coral trees bloom in the morning. The farmer goes to the field in the morning. At this time, mother sprinkles water in front of the house and draws rangoli. And what's about you? Can you tell me? Yes. We get up early in the morning, brush our teeth, and have a bath. Then we have breakfast. Do you know, during summer season, we can hear the cuckoo singing in the morning. Like this. Coo! Coo! Now see about afternoon. When the sun is just over our head, it is noon or midday. It is very hot. We have our lunch in the afternoon and then play or rest. The breeze is warm during this time. Do you know the sun is overhead in the afternoon, so our shadow is short at noon and almost near our feet at this time. Okay, now see about evening. The sun sets in the evening. Now tell me, where the sun sets? Yes, sun sets in the west. And what we do in the evening? Yes, we drink milk or tea and then go out to play or go for a walk. Slowly, the light becomes less and we can see flight of birds in the sky. The birds are returning to their nest. Remember, you must come back home after playing before it gets dark. Okay? And when you come home, wish everyone and recite your multiplication tables and do your homework. Now it's night time. There is darkness everywhere at night. Now tell me, What we see in the sky at night? Yes, we see in the sky at night the moon and the stars. The stars twinkle in the sky at night. It appears as if moonlight has spread everywhere. What we do at night? Yes, we have our dinner at night and go to bed. Sometimes we can hear the cricket chirping. The breeze is cool and pleasant at night. At this time, everything is quiet. Hope everyone understood the parts of day and night. Now, tell me, how do you know you are getting late? Because you saw the time in the clock. How does the clock tell the time? No one answer. Okay, I will help you. Can you see these numbers? Yes, the numbers are from 1 to 12. Students, can you see the hands of the clock? Look at these two hands, a small hand and a big hand. Yes, the big hand keeps moving. A small hand is called the hour hand. It indicates the hour. The big hand of the clock is called the minute hand. It indicates the minute. Okay, now see how is a day divided into hours. The sun takes 12 hours to go from the east to the west. So there are 12 hours of daytime. Again, the sun takes 12 hours to rise from the east. So there are 12 hours of night time. 12 plus 12 make 24. So we have 24 hours in a day. Okay? Hours are divided into minutes. There are 60 minutes in a hour. And minutes are divided into second. There are 60 seconds in a minute. We use a clock or a watch to check the time. Can you tell me how we check the month, day and date? Yes, we check the month, day and date with the help of the calendar. Now tell me, how many months in a year? Yes, there are 12 months in a year. And which of these? Yes, very good. These are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Now tell me the name of the months which have 30 days in it. Yes, April, June, September and November. These months have 30 days in it. And what's about rest months? January, March, May, July, August, October and December. These months have 31 days. Do you know the specialty of February months? No? Okay, I will tell you. A February month have a 28 days in a common year and it has 29 days in a leap year. For that February, a common year has 365 days and a leap year has 366 days. Can you tell me which year is going on now? Yes, it is 2020. And have you noticed? This is a leap year. This year has a 366 days. Means this year month of February has 29 days. And one more thing, you always remember, after every 4 years, a leap year will come. Now tell me which is the next leap year? Yes, very good. 2024 is the next leap year. Now it's fun time. You can remember the number of days each month has by counting on your knuckles. The names of the months which come on the peak have 31 days. The names which come on the valley have 30 days. You try this activity for better understanding and remembering the names of the months which have 31 days and which have 30 days. Okay? Now, next point, a week. There are 52 weeks in a year. Now tell me, how many days in a week? Yes, there are 7 days in a week. Can you tell me the name of the days? Yes, very good. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Here, our time topic is over. I hope you all have understood every point. See what we have learned. But before that, we see a short poem. Up and down, left and right, my garden looks colorful and bright. North, south, east and west, of all the school, Horizon School is the best. In this poem, simple direction words and name of directions are used. I hope you all enjoyed the poem. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now see what we have learned. We have learned about morning, afternoon, evening and night. We also learn about hours, minutes and seconds. We learn about year, months and week. See you in next session. Thank you.